Trending Dubai's favorite dessert, now in a donut flavor? OMG, let's try this! Hola darlings, tara, samahan niyo akong puntahan ng kaka-anniversary lang na Donut Park dito sa Malolos. Their location is at 148 Everlasting Street, Cordama de Noche, Phase 3, Alido Heights Subdivision, Bulihan, Malolos, Bulacan. They are open every Monday to Saturday at 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Step into the pink zone where the vibes are sweet and the snaps are sweeter. And as a Kikay girl, I love the theme. The pink color is very giving. Napunta nga ako dito sa Share Your Thoughts wall nila. And puro positive ang nababasa ko sa location na to. Well, hindi na ako magtataka doon because me too love this place. Here's their menu nga. Talaga namang marami kang pagpipilian sa menu nila. They do have regular, premium bits donuts, and premium overload donuts, K-mini bits donuts, and K-pan. Also, they have steam sum. And if you're in the solo date to yourself, they have combo meals that it fits for you. Tikman ko nga dito ang kanilang premium overload donuts na talaga namang for me ha, perfect yung lasa, hindi siya nakakaumay, and the dough, ay darling, super soft. And the pistachio kanafa donut, I love it! Speechless ako sa sarap. And the crew or staff are very accommodating and lagi silang nakasmile, even the owner. Very welcoming and approachable. Perfect tong place na to for a date with your friends like ours. For a cell group, for your someone, or even your families. So what are you waiting for, darling? Visit Donut Park and taste their soft and sweet donuts. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Stay hydrated. God bless. Adios.